Ooh, I see octagon. I see square. Now, boys and girls, take a look at your paper. Is it pretty full now? You have lots of shapes? Not full yet? Well, I tell you what, we're going to fill some in now, and we're going to do it this way. I want you to take the primary colors out of your box. Primary colors. And what colors were they? So we have red and yellow and blue. Okay, so take those three colors out of your box because those are the only ones you get to use. We're going to look at new shapes. See this shape right here? It's an organic shape, isn't it? See this shape right here? It goes like that? What kind of shape is that? You think it's organic or geometric?
Geometric.
You think it's geometric? How would you name that?
Organic. It's a spiral.
Yeah, it's a spiral. But see, I take the purple line and I take the orange one down here to the purple again, and I come back to the orange. Does it have a name? Not really. So it's an organic, isn't it? See, here's a new shape over here. Here's a new shape between the black line and the red line. So all those new shapes I've got, I'm going to color in 5 of them. Using only, what kind of colors? Primary colors. So watch me. I'm going to do, I think this would be cool to have a blue one right here. So just watch me for a minute. I'm going to fill that one in nice and dark. And I'm going to color this one in. So how many shapes do I have now?
2.
2 different shapes colored in. And now my yellow one, see I've got yellow paper too, haven't I? So I'm going to find a spot where that yellow might show up. And you know what? It might show up really, really well if I put it right here. See, I've got green and blue and purple. But if I put yellow right in there, it's going to smooth that out. And it's going to make it just a slightly different, little brighter yellow, isn't it? So it's okay. Can you see that yellow down there? Yeah, okay.
Sort of.
Okay, everybody close your eyes. And when I tell you to open them again, I want you to open them just a tiny, tiny bit and look at my picture. And I want you to think, what really stands out with my picture? And when that happens, you raise your hand, okay? Very slowly, barely open them up. And what do you see in my picture? What stands out? Okay, Majid.
Green and the purple.
The green and the purple over here, okay? What else do you see, Chris?
The orange.
The orange stands out. Everybody sees something a little bit different. And do you know why it stands out to you? Because it's brighter than everything else. It's contrast. Look at the red and the green, how they stand out. Some of you saw the blues stand out. Artists use their colors to get you to see their pictures in a certain way. So now we have one more thing. You get to color in any 5 shapes. But what colors do you have to use? Primary colors. Good job. Let's say it again. Which colors do you use?
Primary colors.
And they are what color?
Yellow.
And
Blue.
and
Red.
oh, great. Okay, you may start now. Good choice. That yellow's looking good. Yes, Jeremy. I'm sorry. Okay, where are you going to draw your line? Where are you going to color? Yeah, color it in nice and dark. And if your crayon breaks, don't worry about it. Oil pastels are better when they're broken anyway. This big one there. You should color it in nice and dark. Stand out. There you go. See how he's done his here? How nice and dark that is? You go, ooh, those are very nice contrast. That really shows up, doesn't it? I'm going to look at my picture and decide which way I want it to be up. Does it look better this way? Or does it look better this way? Does it look better this way? Or does it look better this way? So I'm going to look. You know what? I think I like mine this way. So this is the way I want my picture to be. Now, how am I going to know that it's my picture? I'm going to put my initials very small in the bottom right-hand corner. Good, good, good. Okay, now put your two initials in the bottom right-hand corner of your picture. That way, we will know whose picture is whose. You have partners, don't you? You're sitting in pairs. Okay, I would like you to exchange your papers, please, with the person next to you. And we're going to have a little check to see what happened. Thank you. If there is an equilateral triangle on your paper, point to it. Oh, good. And partners can help, because after all, you're looking at your partner's paper, right? If you have an isosceles triangle on your paper, point to it. Isosceles, good job. Put your finger on a scalene triangle if there's one there. Okay, do we have a lot of those? All right. Now put your finger on an organic shape. Find an organic shape on your partner's paper. Oh, there's one. There's one. There's one. Oh, good. Now let's find another geometric shape. Find a different geometric shape on your paper. Tell your partner what shape that is. Okay, what's yours? A circle, and this one's a circle. What do you think this one might be right here? A circle. What's this one over here? That was the red one. What's that called? The scalene triangle. Okay, good. And yours is a hexagon. Oh, good. And what do you have over here, sir? A circle. And what do you have, sweetie?
A circle.
Now, this is another part I want you to do. Look at your paper and tell your partner, the one that you gave your partner that paper. Tell your partner what you like best about your picture.
This part is like windy. And it's like curvy.
It's curvy and windy. You like that part about your picture. Okay, good. What would you do differently with your piece of artwork?
It looks like the arms and the head, and I wanna make it into like a wavy thing instead of that.
Okay, you want to make it more wavy instead of have it look like an arms and a head?
Yeah.
Good. Today we worked with line, shape, and color, and you can see that led us directly to math. Art also exposes us to science, social studies, and language arts, and the remainder of the learning experience. After all, that's what art is.
Art Is was made possible by a grant from the Bonner Family Foundation in support of the arts and education.